Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As always, I talk about the gardens and today I'm here to share my indoor plants. Where are they? Mm, while I'm sharing, if you think I'm trying my best as I am new, very new, I'm only 1 years old and while sharing, I wanted to share how to start and grow the plants for the business to sell the plants. So let's go. And if you think and if you like my content, please give me a like, subscribe my channel if you want to see my progress. As I always used to share every week about my plants, how I'm growing, how I am doing my work. So let's go. I want to say that these are my characters. I have started YouTube only after I started a small business doing my gardening works. So I thought of sharing some ideas while I am doing my gardenings. I have started almost it's this year will be the third years of starting my business, and it gives a little income and it saves our income by growing this plant. To start this business about the gardenings, you have to choose your niches. I have choose flowers, indoor plants and the outdoor plants. And these are my indoor plants. This is known as heart leaf shape. Heart, love you all. And indoor plants are easiest plants to grow. Just you need some good soil mixtures and waterings, and you have to understand every plant how to care and how to give their soils and waters and all. And these are my peace lily, Amazon lilies. I am also very new to this place. I had come here. This year will be the second year staying in this place. As to start any gardening business, you have to understand where you are staying, what type of climate is there, and what plants you can grow at your place. I had killed so many plants as I didn't understand the climate and what plants are growing here at my place. To start your any gardening plant like vegetable gardens or flower gardens or herbs or anything, you firstly have to understand your climate and the place you are staying. That is the one of the best idea or the knowledge I have gained, and I have regret a lot. I have killed so many plants. This is my money plant. How do you feel about my plants? Please tell me in the comments. And next point I want to share is to start any gardening business, you don't have to start with the very expensive and cozy plants. It goes so much and like that. You just start with the plants that what you have and grow it and try to expose on your online, and if you got that customer, try to convey them that what you have and show them what you are doing in the online. And nowadays medias are the best place to show your things, anything you have. Just try it, and there will be someone waiting for your plants or anything you have. So as I have started from what I have, these are my mother plants and these are the saplings I prepared from this mother plant. See, these peace lily are drying. I think because of the winter. At the first year of my gardening business, I have earned almost 10 to 15 at the end of the year, because I have started from very small scales, because I am the only the workers. I do all this work for myself, and my house helps some heavy things that I can't do. So to start a business is just start from small and try to increase it, multiply it, and if you got enough money to increase your new or to bring your new plant, try to bring it. And before that, as I told you, firstly see your climate, where you are staying, conditions, and study about that plant, where they can survive. And then to propagate the plant, please use only the organic plants. I just use the dry leaf, soil, and sand mixtures of my plant. They used to grow well in this plant, but they used to grow slowly but very healthy, as I have shown my plant. These are my mother plants. And with that, if you think I've shared some important point, and if you like my content, please give me a like. If you have anything to say, please tell me in the comments, and please subscribe my channel. I'm very new to here, so bye bye, love you all.